Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on whatever your niche is. It's as simple as that.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bravia X74L TV from Sony. This TV is packed with features and has some impressive specs, so let's dive in and take a closer look. First off, let's talk about the design and features of this TV. The Bravia X74L has a sleek, modern design with slim bezels and a minimalist stand. It comes in a range of sizes, but the model I have here is the 55-inch version. The TV has a 4K Ultra HD resolution with HDR support, and it's powered by Sony's X1 processor, which provides excellent picture quality. Speaking of picture quality, let's take a look at how this TV performs. I've been watching a few different types of content, including movies, sports, and video games, and I have to say, the picture quality is stunning. The colors are rich and vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the images are sharp and detailed. I particularly noticed the HDR performance, which really makes the colors pop and brings out more details in the shadows. Now let's talk about the sound quality of the Bravia X74L. The TV has built-in speakers that provide a decent amount of volume and clarity, but for a more immersive experience, I would recommend connecting an external sound system. The TV also has support for Dolby Atmos, which is a great feature for those who want to enjoy a cinematic audio experience at home. Moving on to the Smart TV features of the Bravia X74L, this TV has a lot to offer. It comes with built-in apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and YouTube. And you can also download additional apps from the Google Play Store. The TV supports voice control, which is handy for quickly finding something to watch or adjusting the volume. The user interface is easy to navigate and looks great on the big screen. For those of you who like to play video games, the Bravia X74L is a great option. It has a low input lag, which means that the TV responds quickly to your button presses, and it has a high refresh rate, which makes fast-moving games look smooth and fluid. I played a few different games on this TV, and I have to say, the experience was fantastic. In terms of connectivity, the Bravia X74L has a good selection of ports, including 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB ports, and an Ethernet port. There's also built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your home network wirelessly. Finally, let's talk about the price and value of the Bravia X74L. This TV is definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, but I think it provides excellent value for money. You're getting a top-of-the-line TV with a lot of features and excellent picture and sound quality. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Bravia X74L TV from Sony. It's a well-designed TV with a lot of features and excellent performance. If you're in the market for a high-end TV, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
At last, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you.